Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Solana, FTX on the 4 hour. So the trend is strong right now. Your major moving averages all have negative slopes. We don't want to see these fan back out and us break this line, this diagonal support, this diagonal resistance turn support at basically 3760 region. Your momentum oscillators are looking like kind of like shit right now. You are deep in the bearish control zone. We're trying to get above that signal line right now, though. Could have a little more juice to this bounce. Your vol is high. As you can see, your BBWP is up in the upper zone. Your MACD, negative momentum, looks like it's waning a bit, but we need to print some green bars on this histogram for it really to make a difference. And we need to get back above this signal line from the MACD line in order for us to potentially come up to the bottom of this rollover point where we kind of ranged. It was basically a descending triangle, so the measured move is basically down by where we're at right now. We could come down further, down to the 3780 region, but to the upside, I would think that if Bitcoin can get to the top of the range, I think we could get to the bottom of the range on Solana at basically where the 50 is. In between where the 50 is, and I'm actually going to move this box up now because I'm looking at the POC point of control, and the we're going to go ahead and delete this range too because now we got that box. So that'd be what I'm looking at. The POC point of control and the VPVR, where your 50 and your 100 are right now. We can break above that, I think we can get above into this purple zone at 60.30, but that's not really looking likely right now. Let's zoom in down to the 1 hour. So your moving averages have negative slopes, but your 21 and your 50 look like they're trying to curl back around. We were talking about this level, so we could come down a little further. So far, I mean, this is just a lower high unless we get above 45.90. It's just going to be a lower high. Right now, we are in the neutral median zone on your RSI momentum oscillator. Got above the neutral median line. Looks like we're coming back down on this current tick to test it. MACD, fresh cross to the upside. Strong upside curvature. Positive momentum is increasing on the histogram. Vol is high. As you can see, your BBWP is in the upper zone. So if we do have more juice to this, we need to get back above 45.90. I would expect a small rejection from the 47.50 region, possibly a large rejection. But if we can get up to there, I think we get a rejection from there. But honestly, I think we could work our way back up to this purple region at basically $50. Let's look at the daily real quick. I just want to check out where we are momentum-wise. Okay, deep in the bearish control zone on the RSI. Below that signal line, MACD. Fresh cross to the upside, but it looks like we're trying to curl over. Your positive momentum is waning on the histogram. So we could go lower. I mean, as of now, I would kind of count this as a test of this line. I mean, it could have just got front ran. A lot of people were looking at this line. A lot of people have this channel, I think, because it's been respected so much. So I'm guessing a lot of people are trading this channel. Now, your major moving averages all have negative slopes. They are fanned out. Trend is very strong right now. Yeah, so definitely stay nimble right now. Could be making a double bottom. If we do make the double bottom, like I said, I think we can get it back up into this purple zone, possibly get a wick up to $63 region. But honestly, I think we'd get a major rejection, maybe even front ran by this 21 at 56.70. So that's what I'd be looking at. Let's go to the range chart. I want to see the Bollinger Bands and the stochastic momentum oscillator. By the way, right now we are down about 1% for the day. So we are in the oversold direction. It looks like your stochastic is flattening out. We don't want to see this. If you are bullish, you don't want to see this enter back into the bullish control zone on the stochastic and get back into or fall out of the overbought region across that signal line. You don't want to see that happen if you are bullish. So if we do find support, so far we did find support on this 20 MA, which is the middle band on the Bollinger Bands. Basically, we're going to have strong resistance at 44.82 at the top side Bollinger Band. We need to get back above this last high at 45.89. Then I would expect us to come somewhere around 48.23, according to your Bollinger Band. Because if you can start closing above this Bollinger Band and continue to do that, let's see if this level coincides with anything. So we got 48.20, and so almost the same. We're going to go ahead and lower this down to 48.20. So this would be the box I'd be looking at right here, to at least get a bounce if we do have more bounce in this momentum. If we do have more momentum in this bounce. So if you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out our links in the description below. One being the Discord. We have a lot of good conversation about trading and investing down there. Definitely welcome to it. So those are my thoughts for Solana. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon.